Would it be okay if I asked you to do a husband does makeup? Stop it! I'm just asking.
Oh baby, all I need one more chance. Oh baby, let me show you. I need one more chance. Oh.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'll be doing this makeup look today. I have focused a lot on the skin today because I want that full coverage, contour, highlight, glowy, dewy, bronzy skin because I want my skin to look healthier. So if you guys are interested how to get this look, then please keep on watching. The first thing, I'm going to prep my skin by applying my Urban Decay B6, which is vitamin infused complexion prep spray. Looks like that. I'm just going to spray it all over my face, making sure that I don't get it in my mouth. And let it dry. What should I dry with? Just gonna use this paper, 20% off for skincare at House of Fraser. I'm just gonna let it sink in my skin for a while. That I'm gonna moisturize my face using SHISEIDO Mega Hydrating Cream. And I'm just going to apply it with my finger all over my face. So after moisturizing my face, I'm going to prime my face, and today for the primer I'm gonna take my YSL Blur Primer. It looks like that. I'm gonna take my primer a little bit on my hand there and apply it where you have larger pores so that you can fill in all the pores. I know this primer is a bit on the pricey side. If you want something similar, you can go with Benefit Professional. It is quite similar to it. And so next I'm going to take my ABS Contour Cream palette. And I'm gonna take that warm coral color. I know that this is on the cream side. People find it difficult to use this kind of products. So what you can do is you can take a little bit of oil to activate the cream products. So I'm going to take this product, which is FARSALI Rose Gold. And I'm just gonna take few drops of it and drop it on top of this color. And I'm just going to apply it underneath my eyes, where I have dark spots and also pigmentation. So the reason for applying warm coral color on your dark spot is that it will really help to counteract the color, and when you apply the foundation or any other concealing product, it will really help to cover up. The thing I'm going to do is put on some foundation. I'm gonna mix 3 products today. I know it's a bit too much, but I want that healthier glowing skin look. I'm gonna take my GIORGIO Armani Maestro Glow makeup. That looks like that. I'm gonna mix it with my GIORGIO Armani Luminous Silk Foundation in 6.25, and I'm going to take my MAC Strobe Cream. And for the brush, I'm taking my Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood Complexion brush. So I'm just gonna apply it all over my face. So for the eyes today, I'm not gonna use much color on it. I'm just gonna go in with my Naked 2 palette from Urban Decay. And I'm gonna take this color, which is Half Baked. Such a lovely golden color. Right there. So I'm going to take my flat brush like that, and I'm gonna spray a little bit of my Fix Plus in it. When you spray Fix Plus in your brush, it will really help to intensify your eyeshadow color. So to define my brow bone, I'm gonna use this color, which is called BOOTYCALL, and just apply it on my brow bone. Very, very lightly. After that, to give a little bit of dimension to your eyes, I'm gonna use the color TEASE. That one there. Just gonna apply it underneath my crease, and I'm gonna use MAC 217 brush. So next thing, I'm gonna go ahead and apply a little bit of concealer underneath my eyes and then finish up my eye look. So for the concealer today, I'm taking my NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer in medium custard. And I'm gonna go in with my beauty blender and blend out everything. So I'm going to apply that TEASE color underneath my eyes. So next I'm going to set everything together with my Laura Mercier setting powder. So I'm just gonna take my beauty blender and just dab it in my skin. So what I'm doing is I'm just applying the powder only on my high point of the face and avoiding all the other part because I'm going to do a cream contour today first, and whenever you are using a cream product, you don't want to use it on top of the powder because it will just mess up everything. So I'm just gonna take my LA Girl Pro Concealer, which is this dark shade. And I'm just going to take my beauty blender and blend everything. After that, I'm gonna apply some powder bronzer on top of the cream bronzer that we just applied, and it's really gonna help to set everything in together and define more. And the bronzer that I'm gonna use today is from the TOMFORD, which is called the Ultimate Bronzer, and it's gonna look like that. I'm just gonna take my bronzer brush and apply it all over the cream bronzer that we just applied. I'm just gonna swirl the brush on the hollow of my cheeks, a little bit across the nose, around the hairline, except the center part because we want to keep that highlighted. I'm just gonna dust off all the setting powder. So next I'm going to highlight my face first using Iconic London Illuminator that looks like that, and I'm just gonna take few drops of it, just apply it on top of my hand first and just apply it on the high point of my face. I'm just gonna take my beauty blender and blend everything together. Next, I'm going to apply my Glowy Glow Mineralized Skin Finish Highlighter, which is from MAC. And it is a bit on the darker side, but since we are going for that bronze up look, it will really help us to give that bronze highlighted look. So next I'm going to line my eyes. Of course, I can't live without my eyeliner. So the eyeliner that I'm using today is from YSL and it's called Couture Eyeliner in number 1. For the lashes, I'm gonna take my Lilly lashes, which is Miami Mink. So for the lips today, I'm taking my MAC Strip Down, looks like that. And I'm just gonna line my lips with it first. And for the lipstick today, I'm gonna take my Huda Beauty in Bombshell. After that, I'm gonna go back to the Naked palette and I'm gonna take the same half-baked color, apply it right in the middle of my lips. Also on the center of lower lips. I'm going to put my NARS lip gloss, which is in the shade Orgasm. And to finish off, I'm gonna use my CAUDALIE Beauty Elixir and spray it all over my face. Alright guys, that's it for this makeup look. We are all done. It is super easy to recreate and it has that minimal look, but at the same time your skin is looking so much healthier. Please let me know what you guys thought of it in the comment down below. I would like to sign off for now, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. Love you. Mwah. What is that? What is that? Okay, mistake happens. And so much glow, damn, yeah.